Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Boyle and I'm from a small town in central Pennsylvania called Sunbury. For the last 2.5 years I've worked in the field of mental health. I started out as a blended case manager for our county's mental health agency, and I did that for about 1.5 years before I moved last year to a psychiatric rehabilitation, which is where I currently still work. When I was still getting my undergraduate degree in education, I was student teaching my last semester, and I realized that education and teaching was not for me. I kind of felt like I was at a crossroads. I didn't know what I wanted to do or where I wanted to go, but I ended up finding the job as a case manager by chance and ended up falling in love with the field of social work and mental health. So this program was actually recommended to me by the mom of a young man I had on my caseload when I was a case manager. She had gone through the program, and she knew I wanted to go back and get my master's in social work. So about 6 months ago, I finally made the decision that I was just going to go for it, and here I am. So I'm very excited to be learning alongside of all of you for the next 7 weeks. Thank you for listening to my introduction.